Welcome back to another video, and making it in the mix today is Erica, as she speaks about her goals, and she said that she is closer to achieving her goals now. She's 99% completed and she has 1% to go, so she won't allow someone who is still trying to find what they want to do to deter her from her goals. Now, Erica said that she has been boxed around, she's been put in the garbage bin, but she's still standing. Erica is determined to get to her goal, and she won't allow anyone to deter her from doing that. So please watch the video, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share the video.
Make it stay there. I'm not really respond to the fourth job. I not read them comment because I'm not in it. I don't discuss this, sir. Feel stucky from what dear man, just stuck up. Yeah, nah discussing. May then keep them thing and go on with them thing. I and Rastafari don't join no group. Me not no group where I sit up and nobody can belittle nobody with me. If that's their job, that's why they reach nowhere in life. That's why they sit here and do these things. I have a lot of things in front of me. Why should I be 99.9% or finish my goal that I planned from a living a star like a cockroach? Me plan my goal. And now I reach 99.9% of achieving my goals. Without thief, without scam, without anything like that. And me reach 99.9% of my goals. And I must give it up for phone. Because this backside here is phone. This is phone. So I am giving it up for phone. Who is behind the phone? Who behind the phone? Some people where their life no worth nothing. I can get up out of my house and run outside and go have fun here, there, and everywhere. God has blessed me like that. So why sit with the person who has to sit in front of the phone, who never even start life at 30, 40 years old, they don't start life yet. They don't have no plans yet, so when are they going to have their plan? Come on, my plans is 99.9%. And I'm not going to make nobody put me back. I had my goal and this is my goal. And people has to understand what I am saying. I have reached my goals at 99.9%. So why I sit here and let somebody who already in their 30s, 40s, and doesn't set a plan, doesn't have a goal, don't have nowhere going, nor coming, nor sliding, to take away my joy from me that I planned for so many years and reached so far, just 1% left, and I must give up my 1%, my 99%, and go back to square one. Come on. Where is, oh, how is that possible? How is that possible? It's not possible for me. I know there's a lot of people who come and sit over here who just sit down to see me come down. Hello, you wasn't there when I was going up. Hello, I don't know you. You cannot put me down. You don't know me. You wasn't my head start, and you won't be at my finishing start. No. And my door, the blood of the lamb upon. So you no go and walk past it. You no can't stop and try to enter, but you no can't enter. The blood of the lamb is on my door. You no will stay outside and try to enter. I bet you no never enter. I am blessed. And this and about show off all me blessed. This are all I know I am blessed. Yes, I am blessed. Just look on the mighty long way where me I come from. Box like a pillar, kick around like a drinks box pan road. Fling in a rubbish bin, come out back, recycle, come again. Look at me now. Look where he brought me from and put me. Come on. If you guys can show your blessing, then you have the blood of the lamb on your door. I am sure the blood of the lamb is on my door. And you shall stay there and plot and pinnacle and do what you want. Me and none of you never hold on go to school. Me and you never tie red ribbon crossroad. And me and you never play hopscotch. Neither baseball. Me and you never buck up nowhere. Me never walk with a pan when me buy. And the money them when I hold it on my hand and spending my lifetime when I was 26 is $2.4 million. I spend. Then you pay the government $275,000 so that the legalize of the land. Plus justice of the peace and life. I want to check. And then I tell y'all titty the pan whap, whap, whap. You tell me what you hold from 69 come back and 70 tell me. No for uno never see so much money in our life. So what are you talking about? You notice me easy? Not trouble me?
So that's it for today, blenders. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough respect once again to you all. Thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. Have a wonderful day.